Snapchat has changed a lot over the years. Like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and almost every other social network and messaging app on the planet that have spent the last several years attempting to turn every pixel of your chats and photos into a one-click purchase option, Snap is also trying to do so. Snap is testing the rule, people must shop where they socialize for itself. And it plans to do it with AR technology. Hello guys, welcome to Techmo. Today, in this video, we will talk about the Snapchat dress-up feature that turns your camera into AR mode. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video to know what this dress-up feature is. Snap's aims are more ambitious than most on this front. It's attempting to funnel the entire shopping experience through Snap's AR camera. You see a shirt you like on a stranger, figure out what it is and where to buy it, try it on, buy it, wear it, return it because not everything looks good on you, rinse and repeat. Most of these technologies may also be used within brand websites and retailer apps thanks to Camera Kit. A buy button is always present. There's a lot to do, but Snap is making progress. At its annual Creators Summit on Thursday, the company announced that it is expanding its augmented reality try-on features, which allow users to use their cameras to virtually try on glasses and clothing, and that it is also developing a dress-up in-app hub that it hopes will be the future of the shopping mall. Dress-up isn't supposed to seem like a catalog of things to buy, though it is that. Snap thinks it will be more engaging and interactive than your typical Amazon website. In an interview, Carolina Navis, Snap's head of AR strategy and product marketing, stated it's not just a product feed shopping tab. Now, there is a really core utilitarian use case that we're also focused on driving, since obviously buying things is how everyone gets paid. But there's also a huge area of fashion that's all about self-expression and asking friends for advice and having fun with friends. When you enter the dress-up hub and select an item, you'll be able to try it on using Snap's AR lenses, as well as take a photo of yourself wearing it and share it with others to get their feedback. Dress-up will also feature creator content as well as brand advice and ideas, which will change according to your preferences, how you use the platform, and even where you are located. And everything can be purchased with just a couple of taps. AR shopping may appear to be a bit of a gimmick, like how many times do you really need to AR a jacket on you to see if it fits? But it's a growing trend. Snap claims though that it is catching on. More than 250 million users have used AR shopping lenses over 5 billion times, according to Snap. And the data demonstrates that the lenses convert a considerably larger percentage of potential purchases than a traditional ad. And according to Navis, the appeal stems from the notion that shopping is about more than just buying things. A lot of people think about the shopping funnel as ending at the purchase, she said. But that is the beginning of the customer experience for a brand or retailer who is selling a product. She mentioned Too Faced Cosmetics, which offers a lesson on how to utilize their new eyeshadow palette by scanning it with Snapchat camera. Snap's biggest issue will be expanding its inventory to include everything users can buy in those AR experiences. So far, generating three-dimensional digital replicas of anything you make has required a lot of specialized labor, but Snap is attempting to make it easier. Snap AR image processing is a new technology that does exactly what it says on the tin. It uses machine learning to turn standard product images into 3D models. Forma, a virtual try-on company, Snap secretly bought to better its try-on experiences, provided the technology. Users can try on practically anything by taking a full-body selfie. According to Navis, Snap has been working on the technology for around 18 months and has been testing it with a few brands before expanding it to other businesses this year. Navis said that the actual process to build an AR lens has gone from an 8 to 12-week experience to minutes. According to her, the technology is new but impressive and can improve quickly when combined with user-provided information such as height and weight, as well as if the garment that fits in AR truly fits in real life. Snap, like every other platform attempting to embrace in-app shopping, must be wary of allowing the purchasing experience to take precedence over everything else. Snapchat users may enjoy shopping their friends' and celebrities' appearances, but they won't appreciate every photo they share being covered by 100 buttons directing you to where you can buy their eyeshadow, jacket, and the jewelry on their bodies. That's why, according to Navis, Snap built Dress Up its own tab rather than cramming the feature into other places. she is nonetheless certain that people enjoy shopping quite a lot. We're meeting people where their mindset isn't just, I'm coming to this tab to buy a pair of Prada sunglasses. It's, I'm coming here to explore and have fun and discover products along the way. Now, before we continue further, we would appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Please also consider sharing and subscribing to the channel. That would be fantastic. It also showcases new technology that will make it easier for retail partners to create these AR experiences. According to Navis, creating those AR assets normally takes a lot of time and effort for businesses. But Snap now offers a direct service to create 3D models for these AR assets. Businesses can just upload the assets into their accounts with Snap, on the same interface that they use to buy advertising, etc. From here, they can choose templates for any category. Businesses will be able to portray a variety of products in AR, including eyewear, shoes, and any other real-world object such as furniture or handbag. Navis also said that Snap will automatically pull in different types of tracking and technology to render that image in AR. It will also provide businesses with a new AR image processing technology. This technology enables businesses to take existing product photos from their e-commerce websites and turn it into AR-ready assets for Snapchat's AR try-on lens experiences. As part of early testing for AR shopping, it will collaborate with Puma first and Ralph Lauren later. Snap, on the other hand, isn't restricting the AR experience to its own platform. It's also bringing new shopping features to the camera kit, allowing businesses to integrate the same AR experience on their own websites and applications. However, the feature will be in beta. Following beta testing, the company intends to make it more widely available. It's an additional feature set that Snap developed specifically for retailers. It is not just integrating the Snap AR tag into their app. It's also integrating into their commerce backend so that Snap can automate the creation and the distribution of those AR experiences. Snap has enhanced the feature set for them. Ray tracing is also being added to Snap's Lens Studio feature. Developers and businesses will be able to create lenses that are true to life, which is an essential part of making AR more realistic. It's teaming up with Tiffany & Co. to highlight this in an upcoming lens, where their signature bird-on-a-rock brooch gleams and takes flight. Ray tracing is a technology that helps in improving product realism, which is particularly crucial in try-on. However, working across mobile devices, not just the latest model of both iOS and Android, is extremely tough. And that's something the Snap AR team has put a lot of effort into in order to be able to work across all device types. Snap also announced that developers will be able to create lenses with 3D Bitmoji that come to life. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know your thoughts about Snap advancing itself with AR technologies in the comments section. Until next time!